So as well as being able to moor along the side of the... Oh, this wind's going to catch this sound now, isn't it? As well as being able to moor alongside the canal, there are also marinas. 250 spaces in there, in that marina. There's a new one apparently. A little bridge for the cars that go over. Because some of those down there have got cars alongside them. Oh, that's a bit breezy. You probably can't hear me. But there we are, the marina on the canal, on the way to Devizes. Quite a lot of canal boats in there, moored up for the winter presumably, and even more down this side. And it's not just pleasure boats, there's some being lived in. You can see smoke coming out of their stacks. So probably in the marina, that's probably people leaving them there for the winter and going to a house or something, but a lot of these boats are lived in full time as well. Looks like there's some higher ones down here because they're all the same colour. And so if you fancied a canal trip, I'm sure this is the place where you could hire a canal boat. These look a lot smaller than the big ones. I mean, look at that one, the Trumpet Jack. That's a big boy, and I'm sure super to live in. And the Go Lightly and the Gum Bumper, yes. Okay. I'm just dodging the puddles here. Carol's got one ahead of me because I keep stopping to take photographs and video. There we go. Another bit of the canal. And Carol's been stopped by the flooded pathway by the look of it. Are you waiting for me or just avoiding those puddles? Thank you. Squelchy squelch. Moving through. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those, canal holidays. There we are. If you fancy a canal holiday, this looks like the place you would hire them. And why not? Absolutely super, I would think, in the summer especially, or even now. You know, it's just lovely out here. Okay, God bless for now. I'll video anything else interesting I see, which is probably everything. We're having a lovely morning walk. God bless. See you later.